Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here, out at the Conover wood lathe. I've decided I'm going to sell it. I'm going to part with it, although I will miss it greatly. As you can see, it has the variable speed controls, and it's the original Conover wood lathe made by Conover. Even, I believe he hand turned that hand wheel. And it is a Lathe motor. Let's see if I can get it in the video. It's a Lathe 220 volt motor. And it is a long bed. Now, if you decide to buy this and you don't want this wooden bed, it can completely come apart very quickly, very easily. There's a couple of motor mounts down on this end. These are the motor mounts. Those were put there in order to be able to move the headstock down on this end and do larger faceplate work. But as you can see, it is complete. It's got faceplates, tool rest, 4-step pulley. It's got the cover, which oftentimes that cover gets lost. The man I got this from, I'm the second owner. He even put the control on a dowel so that it could be moved to the end when turning off the face, off the end of the lathe. So with or without the wood frame, I'm asking $2,700 or best cash offer, you come pick it up here in Troy, PA. So that is the Conover wood lathe, complete, banjo, faceplates, tool rest, tailstock. As you see it, let me know if you're interested. I just need to start clearing out my wood shop. There's not much more I'm going to be doing on a large scale anymore. So that's about it, everyone. Your good buddy Walter here in the wood shop. Head out to your shop and go make some shavings. Walter out.